Dun, 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 dun. What's up, everybody? It's Lil Yachty, and you're watching the premiere of Snack on First We Feast. These are my favorite snacks. Alright guys, so I just want to give a disclaimer first before we start this, because I understand the program predicament that we're in. I just want to let you guys know that these snacks, although these are my favorite snacks, I don't want you guys to look at me crazy, because I know you guys are going to think, wow, that guy there probably has high blood pressure and a few other things, and he's probably not going to live that long. But these are just the things that I'm into, alright? So first, my favorite candy of all time is M&M's. Peanut M&M's, I love, my favorite, but M&M minis, for some reason, they taste better. The smaller one, they're tiny and they're a little bit harder. It tastes better. Frozen, they don't lose. I literally just had a bag of these before I came in here. And I keep a bag on me at all times. I got a bag in my car, in my refrigerator, all times. Keep them on me. I think I need an M&M deal. I need a deal. Uncrustables, Uncrusties. So I love peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I love Uncrustables. I mean, like, I hate crust. Only thing about Uncrustables that I fucking hate is so much fucking jelly. I'm a peanut butter guy, so they should give you the option, like, hey, less jelly. There's so much fucking jelly. So when I eat my Uncrustables, I eat them around, and I can never eat the middle layer because that middle layer is too much jelly. I love my sandwiches on white bread, so it's a plus. I think now they sell them on whole wheat. I think you can now even get them on whole wheat. I don't know who's buying that shit. This one looks like it has a little bit more peanut butter. It's so good. They use the perfect stuff. The bread is always soft. I love peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. One of my homies put me on donut sticks, brought to school, and I was like, damn. It just make you feel real fat. It'll make you feel real fat, real fast. It's really good for coffee. I don't drink coffee though. Donut sticks hit. Donut sticks hit. Dun, 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 dun. My favorite snack. How the fuck did y'all even get these? It's not Girl Scout season. I'm taking these. I don't have these. I'm taking these. Anyways. Shouts out to Jada, that's my personal Girl Scout, who hits me up when it's that time. She take my order, she get me right. Every time, get them straight to my doorstep. Jada, shouts out to you. Anyways, this cookie is so good. It's the best Girl Scout without debate. And anybody has a problem, they can fight me, obviously. But it's so good. So what they did was like 2 seasons ago, 2 or 3, I think 2. They did a batch, and I don't know what was going on. They did a batch where they did silverbacks. Now, anybody knows Girl Scout cookies, they come clear bag. They did a batch when it was silver bags, and I wasn't feeling that. It wasn't good. They changed this recipe on it. It was disgusting, and my heart was broken. They went right back to clear bag the next season. I said, they must have got multiple complaints. They must have got my letters in the mail. Looking at this box just makes me happy. You put these in a refrigerator, let them get cold. Moment of silence. Damn. Carvel ice cream cake. I used to always call it Carnival to my ex. My ex told me it's Carvel. Just never actually read it. I don't know. God, I'm eating. My stomach is like, what are you doing right now? You're just feeding me assorted shit. You're tripping. This shit's good as fuck. Like, I feel like this is illegal. I feel like I'm like committing a crime. like I shouldn't be eating this. It should be to celebrate someone's birth. Sometimes you just need it. Sometimes you really need it. You gotta have it. And you just gotta lie and tell the person behind the counter happy birthday too. And then you just make someone's name up. It has to say happy birthday to somebody. That shit's good. It's good. Alright guys, those were my favorite snacks, some of them at least. I'm Lil Yachty, and make sure you check out my new song, Love Music, out on all platforms now. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and don't make too much fun of me. So.